One room and 5 different countries sound impossible, right? After traveling to more than 22 countries, we discovered that this is one of the most smartest way to travel. So stay till end because this simple idea saved us countless hours of planning, packing and moving around. We traveled traditional way for years. Pack, unpack, check in, check out and then repeat. Then we discovered something completely different. Instead of changing hotel every few days, we unpacked once while our room traveled with us. One morning in France, the next morning in Spain, then Orlando, then another destination waiting outside our balcony. If you would like to see how exactly this works in real life, then check out our cruise playlist featuring the Canary Islands, Spain and other destinations just after this video. No hotel hopping, no dragging luggages, no constant travel delays. Just more time enjoying the places we came to see. And if you're enjoying this video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future travel ideas and cruise inspirations. And that's what surprised us the most. After visiting multiple countries and taking 17 cruises, we've realized travel isn't about managing logistics. It's about experiencing destinations. Sometimes the smartest travel decision isn't seeing more. It is finding better way to see it. For more cruise experiences, travel tips and destination guides, explore our playlist and join us on the journey. Stay balanced and go beyond the destinations.